I've got this box of 400 LED Christmas tree lights. So these work for indoors or outdoors. You can put them on top of your tree inside and make it really easy to light up your indoor Christmas tree, or you can put them outside for lawn decorations. You can see we have a ton of these privacy trees, so I just plopped it right here on top. The top is a metal star that just slips right into the top of the tree, as you can see here, and the lights are attached and just dangled down. So perfect size for just an average Christmas tree size. There are durable lights that twinkle. It covers all sides of the tree. So from the inside of my house to the road, you can see this adorable tree lit up. This is a daytime view, so you can see exactly what it looks like. And then at night, you can see what it looks like all lit up. So up close view of the lights, this is what the end of the light strand looks like. It has a nice long power cord, and on the power cord, there's a button. Several different modes. There's twinkling mode, there's fade mode, there's still mode. You can also power it off. Right here at the top, this button right here. So you click it, you can see the lights change. Tonight, I'm gonna show you a video of what it looks like when it's completely dark, because you literally can't see my backyard, but all you can see is this tree. Magical, magical, magical. Easy and fun. All right, so this is what it looks like at night. Isn't it so beautiful? So I'm just flipping through the button and changing the modes so you can get an idea of the fade mode, the twinkle mode, the solid mode. Really cool looking. Change it up every day of the night or every season.